Hey there, CPO here, and I have another interesting product to show you in the vein of wireless Bluetooth noise canceling headsets. Now, I did a previous video where I tested a Plantronics and a Blue Parrot Bluetooth headset, and one of them was the clear winner. It's the one I've been using when driving around in the Jeep, particularly with no doors and no top. But as I'm getting ready for my Moab trip, I'm implementing some Sena products into my kit. And the reason is because Sena has intercom capabilities. They're basically long-range Bluetooth radios that are full duplex. They're always on. So if you happen to look at my comms video I did with Drew and when we went on the Colorado backcountry adventure trip, you'll see how we're able to communicate real time while he's on the motorcycle, I'm in the Jeep. You might catch that Drew and I are having a conversation pretty much real time the entire time we're on the road. So Drew, can you hear me?
I sure can.
Pretty cool. It's basically like having him in the seat with me, and I guess like me riding on the back of the bike for him. I'm not sure how that is, but...
Well, that would be a little weird, but Chris, the amazing thing to me is just how much it just makes the trip more enjoyable to be able to point out the amazing things around us.
Well, I had to rig something up to make that happen, but this time I have a Sena product that actually allows me to do it natively. It happens to be a Bluetooth noise canceling headset that will connect to my phone, my music player, and will also connect to any other intercom system, whether it's a Sena system or another intercom system. So I don't really plan to use this on the day-to-day. However, this is a really interesting product that I'll be taking to Moab with me so that I can communicate with Drew. And it's basically an over-the-ear stereo intercom headset. And again, you can Bluetooth connect this to your phone. I've had phone calls with it, recorded the audio, which you're gonna see here in a second when I did a doors off, top down test. But primarily, it allows me to communicate with other people who are running intercom systems. Now I have a couple headsets to try. You'll see a different video on a different one. But this one I just wanted to take out today for a drive. So this video is me, top off, doors off, and driving both you know, on back roads and on the freeway. And you can hear how the sound is in case it's something you're interested in. So check it out, and I'll put the link to the product in the description if you're interested in learning more about it. You'll see this again when I start doing some intercom testing. But for now, just thought I would see how well the microphone cancels noise, since it's really a sort of a motorcycle product, I think. Sena does not only motorcycles, but they're known in the motorcycle community for the helmet-to-helmet systems, which is sort of what got me started with this. But I am going to be using another one of their products to connect my CB radio and or my UHF VHF amateur radio to wireless headsets so that I can communicate hands-free and with noise canceling microphone in that regard. So that's different stuff, but anyway, check this out. Go back, watch the other video on the Blue Parrot and the Plantronics. You tell me what you think. Would you run this? All right, guys, this is the Sena Bluetooth headset. And we'll see how it handles the Jeep. Now, the interesting thing about the Sena is that it's designed basically for motorcycles. This is a headset. You could wear a one of those, I don't know, half helmets. I don't know what they're called. This is designed to handle motorcycle wind noise. It not only pairs with my phone, but it can also pair with other intercom systems, either other Sena systems or other systems using the intercom protocol, which are basically helmet-to-helmet systems, car-to-car systems, things like that. They oftentimes use Bluetooth for communication between people who are like on the same team or riding together or what have you. So I like this idea because my buddy Drew has a Sena headset for his motorcycle helmet, And when we go out to Moab in Colorado this year, this can pair with him, and he and I can have constant communication. But I can also have cell phone communication. I can also listen to music on this. So I don't know. It is a little bit awkward because it's got basically two earpieces hanging off your ear. It's not a subtle look by any means, but it's not completely obtrusive. It has this microphone, which doesn't boom down to the mouth, so we'll see how well that picks up. And yeah, it can only be worn on the left side, so this microphone isn't adjustable to switch back and forth like some of the others. It has to be on this side, and all the controls are on this side. Presumably, like I said, because it's designed for motorcycle use, so your throttle is on the right hand. My guess is it's probably more comfortable to do things with the left hand on a motorcycle. It's been a while. I have a motorcycle endorsement on my license, and I've had one since I was 16, and I've owned probably, I don't know, 6 motorcycles, but I haven't had one in a while. Honestly, the last motorcycle I had after I got married, and we had our son, I just found it was sort of a thing I could only do by myself because my wife didn't enjoy it, and it wasn't real conducive for an infant. So I sold the motorcycle, got a boat, which we used as a family all the time. And my wife's never given me permission again to get another motorcycle. I've tried several times. So the Jeep is the dad version of a motorcycle for me. All right, so now we're gonna hit the highway, get a little side traffic involved here. We'll see how this does. I can already tell you I listened to a quick clip. It's got more background noise, more engine noise than the Blue Parrot headset I've been trying out. Not annoyingly so, just you can tell I'm in a vehicle. But overall the wind noise was not there at all. It was just vehicle motor noise. Alright, so I'm going 70 miles an hour, and we'll see how this works out. Hopefully I can get some more traffic to pass me. 75 miles an hour right now, and I'm on the Autobahn in Germany, so this is perfectly legal. The other thing that's interesting about this, before I end this video, is with Sena, I can actually use one of their devices, which I'll show you in a different video, to connect my CB radio or my UHF VHF radio to this headset wirelessly, which means I can have a conversation over the radio. It's got a little push-to-talk button, and yeah, I'm looking forward to checking that out. All right, guys, what'd you think? Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.